Ever wondered how AI creates stunning images out of thin air? Whether it's hyper-realistic portraits, dreamy landscapes, or even wild fantasy art, generative AI is changing the game. But how does it actually work? Generative AI art is created by models like DALL-E, Stable Diffusion, and MidJourney. These AI systems learn from millions of images and then generate brand new artwork based on your text prompt. It all starts with pure noise. Think of it like a messy TV static screen. AI then works backward, gradually refining the image step by step until a stunning piece of art appears. AI uses something called a diffusion model, where it learns to denoise an image bit by bit. It's like sculpting from a rough block of stone. Each step removes the noise, revealing the masterpiece underneath. Different AI models have unique styles. MidJourney is known for artistic, painterly results. Stable Diffusion is open source, letting users fine-tune it for custom effects. DALL-E is great for generating realistic photos. Each has its strengths. Yes, but with limits. AI doesn't copy images. It creates new ones based on patterns it's learned. But it can sometimes struggle with hands, faces, and complex scenes. AI art is evolving fast. We're already seeing AI-generated video, deepfake technology, and even AI helping to design entire video games. What do you think about AI-generated art? Have you tried MidJourney or Stable Diffusion? Comment below with what you would like Genie to unveil piece by piece. And hit like and subscribe to Tech Unveiled with Genie. And stay tuned to see what Genie will unveil in the next episode.